What's up, everybody? It's Brian Adamson, the remote house flipper. We're actually standing inside of one of my apprentices' flips, and I want to tell you about intrinsic value real quick. So you see this architectural detail right here, right? Most people, when they go into these older homes, they would demo all of this out, reframe everything square, and drywall across, as how homes are built today. However, there's a lot of intrinsic value to buyers when they're buying homes, and it has this original architectural detail to it, okay? This stuff cost a lot of money. This kind of tile and this kind of design cost a lot of money back in the day because everything was plastered, okay? And so buyers in this type of market understand and they appreciate that. So there's a lot of intrinsic value for the property by leaving this here, okay? So when you're doing renovations, you have to be very conscious of the market. And you have to look at your comps. Your comps tell you where you need to improve this property to get maximum value for it, okay? And so by doing that, you look at not only the data, bed, bath count, square footage, all the rest of it, you also wanna look at the photos to see what other properties that perform well in your market, what did they do as well, okay? Now, when you start looking at other choices, and you have to pick out vanities, for instance, okay? Now this vanity clearly has more of a modern countertop on it, okay? However, if you look at the layout of the cabinet, it's very classical. So it fits the theme of the bathroom. Again, with the wall sconces. These are not original wall sconces. However, when we put them back, we went with another classical, clean look. So it's very important that you don't reinvent the wheel, okay? We teach you exactly how to come up with all of these concepts, how to analyze comps, and all the rest of it right inside iFlip.University. Okay, so go to iFlip University, sign up today, enroll in the course. We'll see you on the other side. Let's go get this money.